So here's an update video of my Switchblade collection. This is some of them that I was able to get into this shadow box that I recently purchased. Got it for a really good deal, so I decided to put the knives in there. Now ideally I would like to have the kind that you can open the case with, like a hinged door, but these are not that. Those ones are certainly a little bit out of my price range. They're pretty expensive, so this works really good. What I did was I took black sewing machine string and strung them up so I could actually display this case hanging up in any position I wanted, and they would stay in place. The only sacrifice I had to make in doing that is I won't be able to take them out and mess around with them. But I suppose that's a good thing too. I want to keep these things in really good condition. I really like them a lot, and I want them to stay nice. So what I did was took break-free CLP gun cleaner and lube and cleaned them up really good with that, and it makes them work a little bit better as well. So there's a thin layer of rust protection on there. You can't see it really at all. Even if you held the knives in your hand, you wouldn't really feel it or see it, but it's on there. That stuff is amazing. So what I have in the case, a little hard to pick up the colors, but this one down here at the bottom is a 13-inch greenhorn 70s inox, and that's the same for these two. I believe this is a 6-inch, and I think this is an 8-inch, if memory serves. And this is a Renzo Switchblade. I believe that is buffalo horn. This is buffalo horn for sure. This is I believe a 9-inch AGA Campbellton. Great knife right there. This is an 11-inch ebony wood Frank B. So is this one. Like that knife so much I had to have two of them. One of them actually sounds really good when it opens, and the other one's just kind of but the one has a real good click to it. This is actually a first run AKC Staghorn swing guard. One of my favorites. It's a really hefty knife, very well built. Imitation pearl Frank B, 11-inch. Sharp looking knife. And this is imitation ivory Frank B, 11-inch. This is honey horn AKC. And this one is honey horn Frank B. These are two unbelievably gorgeous knives, in my opinion. I love those knives. As with this one, the honey horn just seems to really have a classy look to it, just a really good look to it. That's a 13-inch Renzo honey horn right there. So with the case, set it up for you guys and just kind of show you. So you can hang it, on a wall or display it pretty much however you want. And the knives are going to stay securely in place. You can't really tell where the strings are. They run in that seam or whatever you want to call it right there between the metal and the handle. And same at the bottom. So you can see the little bit of string right there. That's about it. That's about all you see on all of them. So it worked out pretty good. So there it is, guys. As always, thanks for watching.